You've had in the last 6 to 8 months a huge resurgence in nuclear as people are realising that the renewables have a limited sort of capacity to deliver 24/7, and you have now a lot of North American companies saying we need nuclear. So the demand is absolutely there. Now the heat on supply. Where is supply going to come from to match from the 170 odd million pounds per annum today into the sort of near 300 million pounds? Now that's a hell of a lot of new production to come out in. There's going to be a lot of mines are going to run out, so you need replacement pounds plus additional pounds on an industry that has been sitting on its haunches